Welcome to the ornamental grass section at Oktoberfest Nurseries. Here on the nurseries we grow lots of really good outdoor garden plants, ones that have been selected for their outstanding performance here in this region. That's the mid-Atlantic and northeastern states of the USA. Lots of really good plants, and if you'd like to find out more about them, can I suggest that you click and subscribe to this channel, because what we're doing is filming new videos that feature some of the exciting varieties that we're producing here on the nursery. And when you're subscribed to the channel, it means that you're going to be first in line to be able to see the videos as we post them. As I mentioned, we grow a lot of ornamental grasses, and probably the most popular of the ornamental grasses, certainly the most commonly encountered, are probably the maiden grasses, or sometimes known as the Japanese silver grass. Very reliable and easy to grow. If you drive down any street in any neighborhood, the chances are you're probably going to see some Miscanthus growing in their garden, and ones that have probably been there for some time. Lots of very good varieties, but I wanted to take a moment or two and show you this incredible variety that takes all the reliability of Miscanthus and extends it to give us even more features now in our garden. This is Miscanthus Oktoberfest, a variety that grows to about 4.5 foot high, and then when it starts to flower now in the latter part of the summer and early part of the autumn, it will push on up to about 6 or possibly 7 foot high. As you see, what the flowers unfold, they have this kind of soft, silky look to them. And then as they begin to develop, they then have this lovely kind of glistening, silky flower that moves so beautifully in the breeze. What's more is that this is a flower that comes out now with this coppery burgundy color and then persists right through the rest of the autumn and often into the winter time too. As the flowers age and the season progresses, you'll see how the silky color changes to a silvery effect, and then you get finally mature flowers that resemble a bit like this one, that's fluffy and finely textured too. What's neat about this variety is that, as you see, it produces this strong upward growth, so it has a lovely kind of vase shape. It has green foliage during the growing season, during the summer. You will see that it has a very distinctive white midrib down the middle of the leaves. But look what's happening on the stems here. You see how they're beginning to turn purple? Well, in another couple of weeks, this whole plant is going to take on a deep purple color. So not only do you get something that's hardy and easy to grow, something that's reliable, something that deer doesn't eat, something that puts on a pretty show and gives you movement in the garden with its flowers, you also now have pretty autumn foliage too. So lots going for this fabulous variety. It was raised at Walter's Gardens by Hans Hansen and Kevin Hurd. Introduced in 2013, this is an exciting variety that we are really tickled pink with here on the nursery. We love the way that it's a nice, strong, vigorous, yet not too big a grower, how it produces all of these glorious flowers, and how it doesn't really suffer from any pest and diseases we're talking about, and puts on such a long, strong, reliable show. This is Miscanthus Oktoberfest, a really beautiful form of the Japanese maiden grass.